The following portion of Let's Grow It is sponsored by Stutzman's.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Good Day, Kansas. It's a little noisy here in their production center at Stutzman's in Pleasant View, but I have the honor of bringing Ben back here with us. It's been
I'm home.
Yes, you're home. I'm so happy to have you back. A lot going on behind us.
You know, and right now we're planting peppers.
Yes.
And I was hoping we could see that just from the veggies and things that we do. But this machine here has been amazing in the accuracy, the consistency, and just the overall integrity of our planting has improved just dramatically with this. And it's so fascinating to watch.
A little bit more about what this machine is and really what it's doing.
It's our robot. Right now we're transplanting into what we refer to as a six-pack.
Yeah.
Means there's six packs, total of 36 plants to a flat. And right now we're just transitioning from peppers to ageratum, and it's automatically doing that.
Wow.
But you'll see as it's planting, the consistency, everything is exactly uniform on it. And it's been wonderful.
And very quick. I'm sure
quick.
it speeds up the process.
And we're not even at full speed either right now of its capability.
Cool. Yeah, I love this machine. So you're doing peppers, you're moving into different plants. When are we going to expect to see all of these out in the stores?
You know, we always target for about the 1st of April as we open up our seasonal garden centers.
Yes.
And hopefully, it's all weather pending.
Yeah.
But we'll open up typically with what we refer to as a soft opening with things that can handle some colder weather, like your pansies, and of course perennials going out early. And sometimes we'll go out a little bit plenty early with geraniums, but just to get some color out there. But we target for about the 1st of April to get all our garden centers open.
Yeah.
Understanding it's still not until about the middle of April before we can get a little bit more aggressive with what we take out there.
Yeah, it's so hard to believe we're already moving into that season. So you can tell me, okay, this machine, once it goes from here, where does it go? What's the timeline of it getting out into stores?
Typically within 12 weeks from the time it goes through here, we can be in a finished product going into the stores. And as it's coming through here and goes through a process here where we put the tags all in, goes through what we refer to as a watering tunnel, get them all watered in, onto trains of carts, out to the greenhouse, and then grow. And it's always fun to take people out on tours, which we will be doing as a Pleasant View event the first Saturday in April.
Okay.
That's going to be fun.
I was going to say, it's so fascinating, and one of my favorite parts is to see the behind the scenes. And now some of our viewers may have that opportunity. You said the first Saturday in April. Well, remind people how they can find more information about things like that event.
You know, you can always go to questions@stutzmans.com, puts you directly in touch with Jason French, who does our Stutzmans Home and Garden Show. He's amazing at that. And or you can just go online, and different events that we have, we'll always be posting there also.
Yeah, definitely. Ben, it's so good to have you back. Thank you so much for being with us today.
Thank you.
Yep, we'll have more on Good Day Kansas coming up next.
The preceding portion of Let's Grow It is sponsored by Stutzman's.
Hi, this is Ben Miller with Stutzman's Greenhouse. Since 1956, our dedication and commitment to your gardening needs has never wavered. The passion for gardening is not only America's #1 hobby, it's a lifestyle too. We're here to help you year-round with your gardening needs. Have questions? Email us at questions@stutzmans.com. And to keep up with everything happening at Stutzmans, please join us at Facebook and visit us at stutzmans.com. From our garden to yours, expect success with Stutzmans. This is our promise to you.
Stutzman's Greenhouse, everything's green.